Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Salesforce Makes Sense. This is Himanshu and we have very recently started our Lightning Web Components Masterclass. I talked about why LWC is the future and what is really possible in the world of Lightning Web Components. But before I really jump into these things and before we progress, I would like to talk a bit about who your trainer is. Alright, so about the trainer, which is pretty much about me, and I just created a very small short slide so that you just don't hear the voice behind this tutorial, but you really know who I am. And yeah, that's about me. If you want to read it, you can, but I would like to just talk a bit about myself. My name is Himanshu Maheshwari and I'm currently based in Dubai, and it's been about 2 years I have been here. A very interesting, very important fact about me is that I'm turning 30 this year. And about me, I primarily like to call myself a learner for life. I mean, like I really like to learn things. I do not want to sit idle. I just want to keep on learning new things, and I like to challenge my brain for moving out of the comfort zone and doing things that's not really a daily thing. But I've put a short note. I'm Himanshu, a teacher, mentor, and a creator who loves breaking down complex ideas. That's one important thing that I really like to do. I always want to ensure that the kind of tutorials I put, I make them in such a way so that someone who does not really know anything about that topic also gets invested into it, and also is kind of comfortable with the understanding and kind of grasps it easily. All right, sharing life lessons. So like I said, I'm turning 30 this year, and I think I sometimes go philosophical in my tutorials, but yes, life lessons are something that I really like to share. And inspiring growth through relatable, practical, and meaningful content. So I've been creating content on YouTube and other platforms for the last 4 years, and with God's grace and the kind and grateful comments from each and every one of you, I've always stayed motivated, and I've kind of made this made this something that I have to do and I want to do. So outside of my primary job, I am always into planning and creating content around Salesforce and other topics. So on this particular channel, which is Salesforce Makes Sense, I gave this name because I really wanted to make sense of what I teach and what my students understand. So Salesforce Makes Sense is my space to educate and really build a community of confident people who excel at their job and make sense at all that they do. I do not really want to encourage people to sit at their jobs and just take salaries. It's more about being very much confident on your skill, always staying upskilled, always staying upgraded, always trying to learn more and not just be on a stagnant path, and kind of make sense in all you do. That's my idea of creating this space. All right, talking a bit about numbers, this is not to show you off, but this is something that I'm really proud of because it kind of gives a statistical figure to what I have been doing for the last 4 years, and it kind of keeps me motivated. We are about 9,000 YouTube subscribers, which is a very big healthy community that I really love, and the kind of people who are associated on the YouTube channel are always kind, and they're always putting really good comments out there, and always supporting and telling me that Himanshu, what you teach really makes sense. So kudos to that. I also put tutorials on Udemy, pretty much similar to what we have on YouTube here, but they are more structured there in terms of chapters and stuff. So it's more like a course thing. So I have about 60 to 100 students on Udemy who are actually browsing and enrolling and actually learning from my courses. On my side, my experience side, I have about 9 years of core Salesforce experience. I'm really happy that I started off with Salesforce. It was not something that I got to choose, but it was something that I was given as a technology to work in, starting from from my fresher life. And I have about 11 Salesforce certifications, which include 2 of the most important certifications I have done, which is Platform Developer 2 and Sharing and Visibility Architect. So that's where I am currently. And on the other side, when I'm not doing Salesforce tutorials, when I'm not talking to you guys through these tutorials and videos, I am pretty much and really a lot into investing into music. When I say music, I'm very much passionate about learning instruments. So I am into guitar and piano. I'm trying to learn these things, and also being a vocalist. But that's more like on the other side. And something I picked up during COVID and really back in Bangalore is reading, and not around novel and fiction reading, but more around self-help, development and growth, non-fiction reads. So you must have seen me kind of doing giveaways of books, because I really want people to read a lot of books, because they really help you think through certain things, and you always find answers to questions that you are not looking for. Okay, and that's why I put sharing life lessons, because I really like to talk a bit on the philosophical side of it, because I'm really much I'm a deep thinker, and I really feel good and fascinated when I talk about these kind of things with people. That kind of excites me. All right, and I've just put a quote there because I really like trekking, and I wanted to just put something that I adhere to, I believe in. Life is like trekking. It's not just about the summit, it's the journey you take. All right, a lot of us think about we need to reach this position, we need to reach this point, but it's not really about that. It's really about the journey that you're taking to reach that point. That's the real thing, that's the real deal. So it's important that you enjoy the journey you are in, and you do not complain about it, and you do not just see it as a all or none thing, that could I reach there or could I not. No, it's not about that. It's about the small steps that you have taken, that's kind of gotten you here, which is equally important and really more important. All right, enough of gyan, enough of philosophical talks. If you want to connect, or you want to find me on the channels, this is my channel, YouTube Salesforce Makes Sense. You can subscribe and follow me for free tutorials here. If you want to connect on LinkedIn, or take a look at my website, where I have some digital downloadables and some bundles that you can use for your Salesforce journey, you can take a look at the website and connect on LinkedIn. All right, great. I think that's a lot about me, but I'm really happy that I shared it with you. What I would want to encourage you folks is probably just
put a small or a brief comment about yourself, putting your introduction as a comment, so that I know who am I teaching and who's viewing this video. So it would be really nice to know who's on the other side. All right, so do put up an introduction comment, and about yourself, what you really like to do on the Salesforce side, what are you really doing, where are you kind of posted, and on the other side, what do you enjoy doing. So it would be really nice to know you folks. All right, great. That's all I wanted to talk. This is the trainer whose voice you'll be hearing for the next 4 to 6 months on all the LWC tutorials that's coming up. But I'm really happy, I'm really excited, and I'm really glad that we are doing this. And again, my job would be to make sure that LWC makes sense to you. All right, great. That's all I wanted to talk about today. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.